experience. I have been watching your videos also throughout you,
Thank you.
especially for Niper. I think the series that you made
Marathon.
last month, and even the marathon which you did somewhere in December,
Correct.
that has also helped me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, uh, all India rank under 10 and under 15 is there with me. Miss Simran Rane, who has got all India rank 9 in MS MTech, in MS MPharm, and all India rank 12 in MTech. So congratulations Simran for an amazing rank.
Thank you, sir.
So कैसी फीलिंग थी? How was the feeling जब when did you see the result? Night या morning?
Morning, I woke up. I was half asleep. I saw all the messages in the group.
Correct.
Opened the PDF. I opened MTech initially, and then I thought it's MS. और
Correct.
मुझे लगा मुझे रैंक 12 आई है MS में.
Correct.
फिर मैंने चेक किया कि MS का अलग PDF है.
बिल्कुल.
It was nice. I asked my brother to recheck if I'm not typing the number wrong.
करेक्ट.
It was nice. सुबह सुबह दिन बन
बढ़िया,
गया.
मतलब सुबह सुबह एक अच्छी न्यूज मिल गई.
हाँ
बढ़िया है.
हाँ सर.
एंड अगर मैं बात करूँ ये रैंक लाने की पीछे डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस होंगे. तो आप कुछ आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताना चाहेंगी. व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नाइपर एंड व्हाट वर द ऑब्स्टिकल्स दैट यू फेस्ड ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी?
Uh, I started in my seventh semester, in my final year,
करेक्ट.
and yeah, throughout that, I joined GDC,
राइट.
and it has been great experience. I have been watching your videos also throughout you,
थैंक यू.
especially for Niper. I think the series that you made
मैराथन.
last month, and even the marathon which you did somewhere in December, that
करेक्ट.
has also helped me.
ओके.
Yeah, that's
दैट्स
it.
ग्रेट, गुड टू हियर.
Not
तो
much. Yeah.
इस जर्नी के दौरान कभी ना कभी ऐसा फेस तो आया होगा सिमरन, जब लगा होगा कि अब पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही, अब सैचुरेट हो गया, डीमोटिवेशन व्हेन योर फ्रेंड्स
Yeah.
आर एंजॉयिंग. हाउ डिड यू कम ओवर इट?
Uh, I think about motivation. Uh, I think I was internally very motivated कि मुझे करना है.
करेक्ट.
And I wouldn't say I used to enjoy. I used to not utna be studies and all
स्ट्रेस.
like. Yeah, I used to go like friends के साथ घूमने जाना है तो I used to go.
बढ़िया.
उतना भी I did not I would say compromise because balance is always needed to not feel saturated.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे बच्चों का ये डाउट होता है सिमरन, दैट हाउ डू वी बैलेंस आवर कॉलेज एंड आवर प्रिपरेशन फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस. सो हाउ डिड यू कीप अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर
Uh,
सेमेस्टर्स एंड योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स?
okay. Uh, for semesters, I would not very much study regularly for semesters. I used to study for competitive exams only. But whenever we had sessional exams, I used to study those very well so that I cover up a lot of portion there. And before semesters, maybe 10 days or like a week before, I would look after the syllabus, what I have to do, what can be tackled. Yeah, that's it.
Absolutely.
Not much
Uh,
stress on the semesters.
right. So now, if I move on to your schedule and your work plan, like how did you actually prepare during your weekdays, during your weekends, holidays के time? तो थोड़ा सा can we
Okay.
break down like a day in a life, a day in a life of Simran for preparing for competitive
Okay,
exams?
so
Yeah.
I used to attend college.
Right.
So mornings, say maybe afternoon, tak I was in college, and after coming home, um, actually I'm so nervous right now. I'm just excited about the exam. So पूरी journey याद ही नहीं आ रही है कि क्या किया क्या
Correct.
नहीं.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
But yeah. So like I used to join classes and वही revise करती थी every day. सुबह सुबह भी वही revise. Revision is the key. लास्ट में रिवीजन करने को नहीं मिलता है. जो पढ़ा हुआ चीज था लास्ट में भूल जाते हैं. इवन एग्जाम में जो चीज आता है फिर लगता है ये पढ़ा था रिवाइज कर लिया होता तो चार
बिल्कुल.
पांच मार्क्स और बन जाते ऐसे. आई
Correct.
थिंक या.
नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऐसा कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था जो पढ़ने में बहुत मुश्किल आ रही थी? एनी फेवरेट्स एंड एनी सब्जेक्ट दैट यू हेटेड और disliked a little bit?
Favorite subject would be, I think, ecology and
Okay.
chemistry to an extent. Difficult would be not very difficult, but I think I found little bit analysis very difficult. Not very, but it was little more on the technical side, so I had to
Absolutely.
understand it thoroughly too.
I always
Yeah.
tell, don't let an organization choose you. अब तो आपके पास choice है. You have got such a great rank. आपको जो branch चाहिए, जो नाइपर चाहिए, वो आपको मिलेगा थाली में परोस के. So
Yeah.
what are the major या top ऐसे के मुझे ये नहीं पर मैं ये I can do, any particular favorite courses that you wish to pursue ahead? You will be confused maybe for
Uh,
sure, but any 2 3 options that
yeah.
you have in mind?
Initially, I was like कि मोहाली में मिल जाए कोई भी. But
Correct.
now that I have a choice, I
Right.
think I'm confused between either MS in MS also I have various choices, so confused. So maybe
Absolutely.
MBA or some branch in MS.
Correct.
Depends, a core branch maybe.
Absolutely. So MBMA, so you will be having GDPI round as well, group discussion,
Yeah,
personal interview. We definitely will prepare you for that as well, so that you have a. If it's I'll tell you one thing very common. We'll speak about this though later on after the podcast. But if you're more of a placement and a more of a market research person, if you have good communication skills, go for MBA. But if you have that within you that I wish to do research, I want to do justice to my BPharm knowledge, then you can go for masters. Both are equal fields. You cannot say which
yeah,
one is better. But yes, I hope that you select very wisely your choice ahead.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah.
last question, but not the least one. Since you are now an inspiration and motivation for a lot of students watching the video right now, so any guru mantra from Simran to Simran ma'am to them, any suggestions, any feedbacks you'd like to give to them before we end?
Uh, Work hard, I think, because in the end, I think the journey is more important than the destination.
Correct.
Throughout the year, I think what I have put into this day is like a gift of all the whole efforts that I've put into. So I think work hard, have faith, believe in yourself. Throughout the journey, I think if you believe in yourself, you can do anything
Correct.
because we keep forgetting what we can do and we put limitations because
Right.
मैंने भी खुद को limitation डाला था कि नहीं under 100 आना है नहीं मोहाली तक मिल जाए बस है
Correct.
we are not really aware what we can do so I
Absolutely.
think you have to believe in yourself throughout the your preparation time yeah that's it and have
Absolutely.
faith
Thank you so much for such a lovely advice.
yeah
Last rapid fire question: hard work or smart work? What should one do, or a
uh,
combination of both?
combination of both
That's great. Okay, so
yeah
thank you so much, Simran, for joining for today's
yes
podcast. Wishing you good luck for your future ahead. See you soon in Mohali.
yes sir
Definitely, I'll be coming on 20th July
yeah
on Mohali. So waiting to see you all over
thank you
there.
sir
Yeah,
yeah
all the best.
yeah thank you sir